Hey guys, welcome back to Droid Wisdom Channel. In today's video, you will learn how to use VPN without any app on your Android device. You may want to do this if you need to access regions with locked content, or you want to ensure your data and activities are secure when you use the internet. This video will walk you through setting up a VPN directly from your device's settings, so follow along. Before we proceed to the setup steps, let me mention that you will need your VPN server address and login credentials to your VPN provider's account. To get the server address, log into your VPN provider's account on their website or app. Navigate to the Settings or Server List section and find the IP address of the server you want to use. Now that we have that out of the way, let's proceed. To get started, go to your phone settings by swiping down from the top of your screen and locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your notification panel. Tap on it and then you will be able to access your device's settings menu. Once on the settings page, head to Network and Internet or Connections depending on your device and tap to open it. Here on my connections page, I can't find what I'm looking for, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on More Connection Settings. And on this page, I can find the VPN settings. So I'm going to tap on that, which takes me to this blank page. Navigate to this three dots in the top right corner of the screen and tap on Add VPN Profile. A form will appear where you will input the details for your VPN provider that I mentioned earlier, such as the username, which can be your name or any other name, the server address, which is the IP address of the server location you want to connect to provided by your VPN service provider, and the type of VPN, usually PPTP or L2TP/IP-SEC. Then input your username and the password given by your VPN provider. Hit the Save button to save the settings, and you will see the VPN listed on the main VPN screen. Next thing to do from here is to tap on it to connect. You will be able to know if it's working when a key icon appears in your status bar. Right there. There you have it, guys. Hope you have been able to learn how to set up VPN without app on your Android device in this video. If you have any questions about this tutorial, leave them in the comment box below. And if this video was helpful in any way, give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching.